In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download files from a Google Drive. I offer many free templates, and I find that most people don't know how to download files from a Google Drive. So we're going on my free templates folder here, and one of my popular ones is Certificate Tracker. So now you find that you go and you find that basically you find the file that you would like, and you go to the three dots to the right of the title. You click on those dots and you will get a pop-up menu, and it allows you to download. So now if you go up to the top of your screen, this is on Google, you have a certificate tracker, and now you can drag it to wherever you would like. This is how you download a file from the Google Drive. Please subscribe.